When is the right time to take action? Jim Rohn says that the time to take action is immediately, now, pronto.
Pronto.
When the idea is hot and the emotion is high. If we don't take action immediately, that's when the law of diminishing intent starts to set in.
What is the law of diminishing intent? Simply put, this is the longer we wait to take action, the less likely we are to take action. It's one of those times when the light bulb comes on and somebody says something that makes sense and we have clarity. This is when we have the motivation and most passion to take action.
So why do most of us, in these times when we have that potentially life-changing moment of clarity, do we wait to take action? Ryan Holiday, author of The Obstacle is the Way, says that even though we all may know what the problem is, we may even know how to fix the problem, we get fearful. Maybe it's too risky, maybe things are too expensive, what will people think? Fear gets in the way and stops us from moving forward.
What do you think happens with all these voices in our head? Nothing. Lots of people do nothing. Ryan Holiday says, having courage is just another way of taking action. So why do you think Adrian and I are here to be talking to you about starting an online business? We're not here to sell you. The idea is that you have to take action when the time is right and you're ready to take action.
What we know for sure is something brought you to this place. And we suspect when you saw the video of Bob and me, you might have had an aha moment. Something, and that little voice inside of you said, oh, I want something more out of life. And maybe this is the way. Only you can make that decision.
We have reserved time to talk to you tomorrow, Thursday, August 8th. For those of you who are interested in talking to us about taking action. If you're interested in taking action, click on the link below, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Bye for now.
Bye for now.